Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a device that sends smoke, a lot of smoke. I tell you, and this thing, it might seem to you that it would not send a lot of smoke because it would get fire easily, but no, due to tape. It will not get fired easily. I tried one and it's sent a lot of smoke, and also that it was burning even after an hour. It's I don't know how it comes to you, but my house there's a lot of oxygen, so that's why it fired up easily. So don't let's get started. For this you need toothpicks, 9 of them. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Keep one separate. Then what you need: scissors, paper, a paper, it should be like this, and a tape. First take 8 of the toothpicks, line them up in this way, in any way you like. Let the sharp end be outside or inside or anywhere. Yeah, now take tape. Okay, take put it one by one into this. And here's a technique that you can do for saving time. Just roll up 8 toothpicks like this and won't tape over them. But I am using this way since I have no hurry. 6, no, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. Now make sure you roll them. Now cover them up with tape. You can let a little be outside. Yeah, this much is enough. Now take a piece of paper. It should be this much. Make sure that this one is big. This paper is bigger than this in height. Then wound it around the paper. Make sure you wound it straight. Then let these two ends go like this. Take a long piece of tape. It should be long enough to wound the whole thing. First take a little to wound this. Then take another little. Where is the tape? Gross, where has the tape gone to? Yeah, here it is. Yes, this time be careful. Take another toothpick, the 9th one. Put it on here. Then let wound it. When you are When you are setting it on fire, set it on this place and make sure there's a lot of oxygen around, or it would get set out easily. But when it's set out easily, it would have a lot more smoke. I call this a fire blaster instead of smoke, but it doesn't blast. And I'm not a fool enough to put batteries and make it blast also. More tape. And here's a simple smoke bomb. Why does it last so long? The secret lies in the thin tape. Tape melts but get does not get lit up very easily, but and it lasts a little time also. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like the video and send your please try it once and send your comments in the comment section below.